children, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine and waiting for the new topic. Today's topic is India, our homeland. So children, do you want to know about India? Why do we call it homeland? Okay, let's get started. And now what you have to do? You have to answer the following questions. So questions are, in which state of India do you live? You have to mention here and name any two neighboring countries of India, right? When do we celebrate Independence Day of India? And how many states are there in India? Write down the name of any one Indian mountain, river and desert. Okay, so all this information you have to write here. Yes, very good. Complete this and we are going to get some information about our India, our homeland. India is a vast landmass. It is the 7th largest country in the world by area. So please underline this because this is very important line, and the largest by population. So this is the 7th largest country in the world by area and the largest by population. People speaking more than 23 different languages and belonging to many different religions can be met there. Okay, let us find out some facts about our beautiful country. Do you love your country? I know you love your country. India, location and its neighbors. So firstly we are going to read about India's locations and its neighboring countries, its neighbors. We will know about its neighbors. India is located to the north of the equator and to the east of the prime meridian. Therefore, India is in the world's northeastern quarter. India lies in the central part of South Asia, the largest of the 7 continents. Okay. The northern part of the India is surrounded by land. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. However, the southernmost tip of the country is Indira Point, which is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The southern part of India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. And now, yes, bacho. So it has the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. So my dear children, I hope you are mentioning, you are underlining the main points, main lines which I am reading in front of, like the chapter is given in front of you, the book you are having. Please take the pencil and underline the important lines. Okay. Now, India has several neighbors like Afghanistan and Pakistan are to the northwest. Northwest area, if you take the northwest, you have Afghanistan and Pakistan. China and Nepal are to the north. Bhutan is to the northeast and Myanmar and Bangladesh are to the east. In addition, India has the Maldives in the southwest, Sri Lanka in the south and Indonesia in the southeast. Okay, I hope you have underlined. Knowledge booster. The popular game Snakes and Ladders originated in India. Do you like to play this game? Okay. Political divisions of India. Now I am going to read about these political divisions of India. On August 15, 1947, India gained its independence from the British. You all know because we celebrate this day. It is the world's most populous country. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. Please underline this point, bacho. 28 states and 8 union territories, including the National Capital Territory and city of Delhi in India. Telangana is the newest state of India. It was formed on June 2nd, 2014 with Hyderabad as its joint capital with Andhra Pradesh. However, Amravati was declared as Andhra Pradesh's new capital on October 22nd, 2015. The largest state of India in area is Rajasthan and smallest is Goa. So, very informative bachcho. You know that if somebody asks you which one is the largest state of India area wise, okay, so you have to mention the name Rajasthan, and if somebody asks you the smallest one, you have to mention Goa. India's capital is New Delhi and its official name is National Capital Territory of New Delhi, Delhi. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state with the largest numbers of districts, 75. The 7 states in northeast India are known as 7 sisters. These are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. We call them as 7 sisters. And now I have states of India and their capital cities. Shall I read? Okay, listen carefully. So, the first state I am taking, Andhra Pradesh, its capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. So now we have some union territories and their capital. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Daman. Delhi, Delhi. Ladakh, Leh. Lakshadweep, Kavrati. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, May to October and Jammu, November till April. Puducherry, Pondicherry. And now we have some physical features of India. So, India has diverse landforms such as plains, hills, mountains, deserts, plateaus, forests and islands. So, this is the diversity. Okay, these are known as the physical features of land. We also find a large number of rivers, flowing across India. Which one are those? Such as Ganga river, the Brahmaputra, the Yamuna, the Krishna, the Gomati and Mahanadi. So, on the basis of its physical features, India can be divided into the following major distinct physical divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert and the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the island groups. Now, you have to try to answer, match these states with their capitals you already have read, right? Okay. Knowledge booster, the 2 well-known glaciers of India are Gangotri and Yamunotri, right? Mention this, underline this. Let's wrap up, bachcho. It's the summary of the chapter. Let's recall the chapter once again. Our country India is unique and in its great diversity, landforms and varied cultures. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives are our neighbors. India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west and Indian Ocean in the south. Right? Okay. Now we have some checkpoints, means we have to attempt the exercises to check our knowledge, what we have read. So, in A part, what you have to do, you have to take the correct answer. So, you have some questions, options are given. Among all those options, you have to choose the one correct option. Fine? B part, fill in the blanks. So, we have some, these statements are taken from your chapter only. You have to fill the blanks according to your chapter statements. Okay, yeah, for example, India has dash states and dash union territories, so you have to just mention here the numbers. Okay, fine. Now we have C part, write any one famous place of the following states. And you have in D part, answer the questions briefly. In short, you have to answer these questions beta. And in E part, answer these questions in detail. So you have to give it in detail. The answer you have to write like 5 states and union territories of India you have to mention with their capitals. So give it in detail. Horts, give a brief account of Indian culture and civilization. Knowledge of India, who was the first president and the first prime minister of India? Get the information and write here. Picture based questions, observe the picture of your right, and answer the following questions. So you have to check this picture, the map is given to you, and read the questions carefully, write the answers for these questions. Value based questions, life skill. Make a diversity chart and put it on the bulletin board. Ask your classmates to stick pictures on it of people, dresses, food and tourist attractions. Okay, all these words of various regions of India. This will help your class to learn more about our diverse country. So you have to just check all these and you have to write here so that you can enhance your knowledge. Okay, project activity. On a map of India, mark and color the following. 2 states of India did share a common capital. You have to write about a neighboring country with its capital that lies in the south of India, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. Okay, while doing this activity, have fun, enjoy.